Welcome to Exam Sale. This voiceover walks you through the syllabus for the Cisco CCNA collaboration implementing Cisco video network devices, also called CIVND. In a few minutes you will know exactly what to study and why each domain matters. Overview of the CIVND exam covers 4 domains with exact weights. Endpoint configuration is 32%, troubleshooting and support is 31%, video concepts is 21%, and conferencing concepts is 16%. Each domain lists a focus, difficulty, estimated learning time, and assessment type so you can plan study time effectively. The exam tests both conceptual understanding and hands-on skills, with a strong emphasis on endpoint setup and real-world troubleshooting. Endpoint configuration is 32% of the syllabus, rated medium with an estimated 24 hours of study and assessed by hands-on plus conceptual tasks. You will learn to identify Cisco video endpoint categories such as desktop and room-based systems and to perform physical installation and cabling for HDMI, DVI, VGA and Power over Ethernet. The syllabus covers configuring peripherals like Touch 8 and Touch 10, verifying camera and audio hardware, and implementing local configuration on telepresence endpoints. You will also master provisioning and registration workflows including CUCM and VC's registration, SIP versus H, 323 differences, auto-provisioning with TMS and CUCM, firmware upgrades, and the roles of TFTP and HTTP in endpoint configuration. Troubleshooting and support is 31% of the exam, rated hard with about 30 hours of study and assessed through scenario-based questions. This domain teaches diagnosing registration failures on CUCM and VCs, resolving call setup and teardown problems, and fixing peripheral connectivity and hardware faults. You will analyze system logs and call statistics from web interfaces, check network misconfigurations like IP, VLAN and DNS, and verify software version compatibility across devices. Media quality topics are included here too, so you will learn to identify video artifacts such as pixelation and jitter, troubleshoot audio sync and echo, validate COS markings, and use tools like ping, traceroute and Wireshark to isolate bandwidth or latency issues and perform factory resets when needed. Video concepts is 21% of the syllabus, rated easy with an estimated 18 hours and assessed by conceptual and scenario-based items. You will learn core media fundamentals including how codecs such as H.263, H.264 and H.265 affect processing and bandwidth. The syllabus covers signaling protocols where you will differentiate H.323 and SIP, and it explains RTP and RTCP roles in media delivery, resolution standards from CIF to 4K, and frame rates that affect smoothness. By studying these concepts you will be able to select appropriate codec and transport behaviors and to explain the difference between streaming and real-time interactive video. Conferencing concepts makes up 16% of the exam, rated medium with about 15 hours of study and assessed through conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will study multi-party architectures including multi-point control units, the roles of Cisco telepresence server and conductor, and how bridges handle transcoding and rate matching. The domain covers conference types such as ad hoc versus scheduled meetings, multi-way and multi-site features, and the benefits of Cisco WebEx integration for hybrid collaboration. You will also learn to analyze conferencing layouts and management so you can design and operate scalable multi-party video solutions. To conclude, prioritize endpoint configuration and troubleshooting since they account for 63% of the exam and require the most hands-on practice. Follow the estimated learning hours for focused planning and use labs to practice registration, firmware upgrades, log analysis, and media troubleshooting. With steady study across video concepts and conferencing concepts you will build a complete, practical skill set for the CIVND exam.